What is the difference between you and Olympic gold medalists? Only one. All Olympic gold medalists have a coach.
Charismatic leaders would ignite that spark, but it is us, ordinary people, doing everyday ordinary things in light of that spark that will keep the flame alive. I heed you in the Tova, the hand that walks the cradle, rules the world, and compassion is the noblest form of act.